God, when you look at it from this perspective, tells about the prophets experiencing similar difficulties, causing some of them to lose what they have in their hands. For instance, Jesus, Ayub, Pabur, when Ayub called upon his Lord saying, "Adversity has touched me," he lost his health. Calling upon the Almighty, "Because it caused me harm, because it was worth the trouble to me. I have been afflicted with adversity, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. O Allah, the most merciful of the merciful." He maintains contact with the Almighty and holds on to hope for help from the Almighty, fully aware that his situation is completely within the control and guidance of Allah. He is hopeful that the All-Powerful will intervene and resolve this health issue, bringing an end to the illness through divine healing and restoration. Allah, the Almighty and Majestic, answered his prayer and relieved him of his distress. We revealed to him the treasures, possessions, and family that we had taken from him, just like the night returning again in all its splendor and serenity, bringing with it a renewed sense of hope and joy for the future. Allah the Almighty, who is profoundly distressed when his expectations are not met, and burns with intense anticipation for this momentous and highly awaited occasion. He mentions Zechariah, peace be upon him, and Zechariah, in his time of need, called upon his Lord, seeking his guidance and assistance. "Do not leave me alone, Rabbi. O Lord, do not leave me alone, do not abandon me, and you are the best inheritor." You are the best in terms of being obvious and passing on to the heirs, in terms of family and children, and in terms of descendants, without any doubt. He also has the awareness that there is no limit to what Allah Azza wa Jalla can give him without any expectations, with his prayer through Allah's creation, and this is also what he learned it from Maryam, just when he had lost hope due to his wife's infertility and his own old age. So Maryam discovered, observed, or whatever, the food that should not have been present at that specific time, or the provision, or the fruit, and she uttered the following words, "From where did you obtain this for yourself?" Maryam responded, "She mentioned that it is from Allah, the Almighty, the Supreme Being." Then, to his surprise, he said, "Allah provides sustenance to whom He wills without measure, without any restrictions or limitations, abundantly and generously. Therefore, loyalty to the Almighty and hope from Allah is at a level that will push the boundaries even with just a glimpse at this world, and it will make the impossible possible. Just as long as the servant establishes this connection with Allah, the Almighty and Majestic, even though some of the prayers are accepted in this connection and some are not, others, regardless, find peace and tranquility. They are always aware that Allah, the Almighty, grants them a life of goodness in His name.